Dear children, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Math Academy. This is Abhisha. In this video, I am explaining chapter 3 matrices MCQ part 3. Already I have uploaded part 1 and part 2. If you want, you can visit that one. I will give that link in description box. Come, let's start. Chapter 3 matrices MCQ part 3, subject mathematics, class 12. First question, which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? They are given one equation, then options they are giving, we have to find x, y. So they have given this equation. First you have to see order of matrix. Here 2 by 2 matrix, here also 2 by 2 matrix, correct? If orders are same, then you can equate corresponding elements. You have to find the values of x and y. So you have to equate the corresponding elements. So 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. From this you can find the value of x. Here y plus 1 is equal to 8. From this you can find the value of y. Here y minus 2 is equal to 5. From this you can find the value of y. Then here 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. From this you can find the value of x. So first this one, 3x plus 7 is equal to 0. This implies 3x is equal to minus 7. This implies x is equal to minus 7 by 3. This is the value of x. Then you take this one, y plus 1 is equal to 8. Which is, this implies y is equal to 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. So what is the value of y? 7. Let's check this also. Y minus 2 is equal to 5. So y minus 2 is equal to 5. We have to check this value and this value are same or not. So y is equal to 5 plus 2, which is equal to 7. So same value here also. Then here 2 minus 3x is equal to 4, correct? So 2 minus 3x is equal to 4. Minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 2. This implies minus 3x is equal to 2. So what is the value of x? Minus 2 by 3. So here another value and here another value. Two values of x we got. Here y same value, but we got two different values of x. It is not possible. So what is the option? Here not possible. So option B is correct. I am showing the problem and answers. You can write. Let's move on to second question. If a is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then a square minus 5a is equal to, they have given 4 options. We have to find a square minus 5a. The answer should be in I. Here you see 2i, 3i like this. Let's do. So we have to find a square minus 5a. What is a? They have given. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A square means 2 times we have to write. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 5 into a. You have to write the value of a here also. Then you have to multiply these two matrices. So like this. So 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. Then 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 4, 8. Then 3 into 1, 3. Plus 4 into 3, 12. Here 3 into 2, 6. Plus 4 into 4, 16. Minus the same number you have to write here. Then you have to simplify this one. What is 6 plus 1? 7. Then 12, 10, 15, 22. Minus. You have to multiply this 5 with all the numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20. Which is equal to, here minus sign is there, correct? So you have to minus the corresponding element. So first here 7 minus 5. Then 10 minus 10. This minus this. Then this minus this. 15 minus 15. Then 22 minus 20. So what is 7 minus 5? 2. 10 minus 10, 0. Here 0, here 2. But the answer they have given in 2i, 3i like this. So you have to take this 2 outside. So 1, 0, 0, 1. This is I. Correct identity matrix. So 2i. So what is the answer? 2i. So option A is the correct answer. So I am showing this problem to write. If you want, you can write. Now let's move on to third question. If this equation they have given in matrix form, then a square plus b square is equal to, they have given 4 options. Here this equation in a, b like that. So first of all you have to find a and b, then you have to find a square plus b square. Here the equation is like this. Here plus simple, here 2 by 2 matrices, so you can add this one, correct? So 1 plus a, then 2 plus 4, 6, minus 2 plus 3, how much? 1, then minus b plus 2, which is equal to 5, 6, 1, 0. Here 2 by 2 matrix, here 2 by 2 matrix. So we can equate the corresponding terms. So 1 plus a is equal to 5. We have to equate. Then you can find the value of a, correct? So what is a? 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So the value of a is equal to 4. Here you have to take this term, then you can find b. So minus b plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus b plus 2 is equal to 0. From this you can find the value of b. b is equal to minus 2. This implies b is equal to 2. So a is equal to 4, b is equal to 2. But we have to find a square plus b square, which is equal to a 4 square plus b 2 square, which is equal to 16 plus 4, which is equal to 20. So what is the value of a square plus b square? 20. So option A is the correct answer. Now let's move on to fourth problem. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to Aij whose elements are given by Aij is equal to I by j. So we have to construct 2 by 2 matrix. They have given A is equal to Aij. Then the elements are in the form Aij is equal to I by j. A is equal to Aij, correct? We have to construct 2 by 2 matrix. So we have to write 2 by 2 matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. In problem Aij is equal to I by j, correct? So what is A11? 1 by 1. What is A12? 1 by 2. Like that you have to write, which is equal to 1 by 1, then 1 by 2, 2 by 1, 2 by 2, which is equal to 1, 1 by 2, then 2, 1. So this is the answer. Now let's move on to fifth question. A diagonal matrix is scalar matrix if its diagonal elements are. When diagonal matrix is scalar matrix, this is the definition actually. If its diagonal elements are equal. If all the diagonal elements are equal, then we can say the diagonal matrix is scalar matrix. So option A is correct. Next move on to sixth question. In the matrix they have given one matrix. Write order of matrix. We have to write order. 4 options they have given. Here you have to see. First you have to write row, then column. So row means horizontal lines that you have to remember. Don't confuse. So this is the horizontal line. So this is row 1, 2, 3. So 3 rows. So this option you can write. Then how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical lines. So 3 by 4. So order of this matrix is 3 by 4. Next move on to seventh question. If we want to add 2 matrices, the 2 matrices have to be of. If you want to add two matrices, the matrix should be in same order. If the matrices are in different order, you cannot add. So the two matrices have to be of same order. So option A is the correct answer, same order. Next move on to 8th question. Assume x, y, z, y and p are matrices of order 2 by n, 3 by k, 2 by p, n by 3 and p by k respectively. If n is equal to p, then the order of the matrix 7x minus 5z is. They have given 4 options. These matrices they have given, then order also they have given. If n is equal to p, then what is the order of 7x minus 5x? You have to find the order of 7x minus 5x, is it? So you have to find the order of 7x, then you have to find the order of 5z, then you can write the order of 7x minus 5z. This is very easy. X, what is the order of x? 2 by n, correct. So what is the order of 7x? 2 by n. So order of x 2 by n. So order of 7x also 2 by n, correct. Then what is order of z? Order of z 2 by p. But given n is equal to p, correct. So which is equal to 2 by n. So what is order of 5z? Which is equal to again 2 by n. So order of 7x 2 by n. Order of 5z also, this is 2 by n. So what is order of 7x minus 5z? 2 by n. So what is the answer? 2 by n. So option B is the correct answer. So I will show the question and answer. If you want, you can write. To 9th question. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB minus BA is skew symmetric or symmetric or zero matrix or identity matrix. A and B are symmetric matrices, correct. A and B are symmetric matrices means A dash is equal to A and B dash is equal to B, correct. Then you have to check AB minus BA skew matrix or skew symmetric matrix or symmetric matrix or zero matrix. So you have to find the whole transpose, which is equal to, how to write AB the whole dash minus BA, which is equal to, what is AB the whole transpose? B transpose A transpose minus same thing A transpose B transpose. Here what is B transpose? B, correct. So B A minus A B. You have to substitute these values for instead of A dash A, instead of B dash B, correct. So what is AB minus BA? BA minus AB, correct. This you can change. If you are taking minus outside, you can write AB minus BA. Why we have to write like this? Here AB minus BA. So minus of AB minus BA. So if A dash is equal to minus A, what is A? A is skew symmetric like this. Here AB minus BA the whole dash is equal to minus of AB minus BA. So AB minus BA is skew symmetric. So what is the answer? Option A, skew symmetric matrix. So I will show this problem and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to 10th question. If A and B are not of the same order, A plus B is defined or not defined. If A and B are not in same order, you cannot write A plus B. So it is not defined. For example, if you are taking A 2, 3, 5, 4, then B. Then if you are taking B is equal to 2 by 3 matrix. 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7. This is 2 by 3 matrix, correct? Then how can you add this A and B? You cannot add, correct? This is 2 by 2 matrix, here 2 by 3 matrix. So A plus B is not defined, correct? So here also this A and B are not same order. A plus B is not defined, correct? Then let's move on to 11th question. If A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 2, then what is 2A? We have to substitute A here, then you can find the value of 2A. So what is 2A? 2A is equal to 2 into 1, 3, 5, 2, correct? Which is equal to, you have to multiply this 2 with all the numbers. So 2, 6, 5 into 2, 10, then 2 into 2, 4. So this is the answer. This 2, 6, 10, 4. So option A is the correct answer. Next move on to 12th question. If this equation they have given, then find x minus y. First you have to find x, then you have to find y, then you have to find x minus y. This equation they have given, so first you have to multiply 2 with this matrix. So 2 into 3, 6, then 8, then 10, then 2x. Plus others you have to write same, which is equal to 7, 0, 10, 5. This implies you have to add this one here, plus symbol is there, correct? So what is 6 plus 1? 7. Here 8 plus y. Here 10 plus 0, 10. Here 2x plus 1. Which is equal to, here same matrix you have to write. Now here 2 by 2 matrix, here 2 by 2 matrix. So you can equate the corresponding terms, correct? Here x terms you have to find. So here 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. You have to take first what is 2x plus 1, which is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. This implies x is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So what is the value of 2? What is the value of x? 2. Then you have to take this term. You have to find y, correct? So 8 plus y is equal to 0. Then you can find from that one y. This implies y is equal to minus 8. So what is x? 2. What is y? Minus 8. But we have to find x minus y, correct? So yeah, what is x minus y? You have to substitute the values of x and y here. 2 minus minus 8. This minus you have to write, don't forget to write. Then which is equal to minus of minus plus, which is equal to 10. So what is the answer? 10. So option A is the correct answer. Now I am showing this problem and answer. If you want, you can write. Now let's move on to 13th question. If x plus y, 2x plus z, x minus y, 2z plus y, like this they have given one equation, then the values of x, y, z and y, w respectively, how to find the values of x, y, z and w from this equation. So this is the equation. From this, first you have to write two equations. This is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. So you can equate corresponding terms. So here x and y term, here x and y term. So you have to take this equation, x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 0. From this you can find the values of x and y. So first you have to write x plus y is equal to 4, then x minus y is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, equation number 2. So here minus, here plus. If you are adding these two equations, this y terms will get cancelled, correct? So 1 plus 2 implies what is x plus x? 2x. Here 0, here 4. So from this you can find the value of x, which is equal to 2. So what is x? 2. Then you have to substitute the value of x here in this first equation or second equation. I am substituting the value of x here first equation. So 2 plus y is equal to 4. This implies what is y? Y is equal to 4 minus 2. So what is the value of y? Which is equal to 2. Then you have to take this equation 2x plus z is equal to 7. We got the value of x correct. So you have to substitute the value of x here. Then you can find the value of z. So 2x plus z is equal to 7. You have to substitute the value of x here. 2 into 2 plus z is equal to 7. What is 4 plus z is equal to 7. So this implies z is equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So what is the value of z? 3. Then you have to take this equation 2z plus w is equal to 10. Here you have to substitute the value of z, then you will get the value of w. So 2z plus w is equal to 10. What is the value of z? 3. So 2 into 3 plus w is equal to 10. So 6 plus w is equal to 10. What is the value of w? 10 minus 6, which is equal to 4. So what is the value of w? 4. So 2, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? Option A. 2, 2, 3, 4. Now I am showing the question and answer. If you want, you can write. Next move on to 14th question. If the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then they have given 4 options: diagonal, 0, square matrix. A is symmetric means what? A dash is equal to A, correct? A transpose is equal to A. A is skew symmetric means A transpose is equal to minus A, correct? So A dash is equal to A dash is equal to minus A. So you can equate this one. So A is equal to minus A. So this implies A plus A, which is equal to 0. What is A plus A? This implies 2A is equal to 0. This implies A is equal to 0. So A is equal to 0 means what matrix? 0 matrix. So option B is the correct answer. So this is the question. Then this is the answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next move on to 15th question. If A is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 2, then you have to find this one. 4 options they have given. So you have to find this one. A square plus 2A minus 3I. Now you have to substitute the values of A here. Here what is the value of A? 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Here A square, correct? So you have to write 2 times 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Plus 2 into, you have to substitute the value of A here. So 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Then minus 3, here 2 by 2 matrix, correct? So you have to write 2 by 2 identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Which is equal to, you have to multiply this one. 2 into 2 how much? Like this. 2 into 2, 4. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Then 2 into minus 1, minus 2. Then minus 1 into 2, minus 2. Here 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 1, 2. Here 2 into 1 into minus 1, minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. Then plus, you have to multiply this to all numbers. So 2 into 2, 4, minus 2, then 2, 4. Then you have to multiply 3 with this. So minus 3, 0, 0, 3. Which is equal to, you have to simplify this one. 3 minus 4, then 4, then 3. Then balance you have to write like this. So plus 4 minus 2, 2, 4, then minus 3003. So here plus sign, here minus sign. How to write here next step? So which is equal to, you have to write corresponding terms. Here 3 plus 4 minus 3. Correct. So 3 plus 4 minus 3. Then minus 4 plus minus 2 minus 0. So minus 4 plus minus 2 minus 0. Then 4 plus 2 minus 0. Here 3 plus 4 minus 3. Then you have to simplify this one. Here 3 and 3 minus 3. Then here 4. What is minus 4 minus 2? Minus 6. Here 4 plus 2, 6. Here 3 and 3 cancel. Here 4. So what is the answer? 4 minus 6, 6, 4. So what is the correct option? Option A is correct. 4 minus 6, 6 and 4. Now I am showing the problem, question and answer. Next move on to 16th question. A matrix in which the number of rows equal to the number of columns is said to be dash. This is the definition. If number of rows equal to number of columns, what is the matrix? Square matrix. So option A is correct. Next move on to 17th question. If A is equal to this matrix is symmetric, then what is X? So you have to find the values of X. Here they have given symmetric matrix, correct. So what is symmetric? Symmetric means A transpose is equal to A, correct. So what is A transpose? You have to interchange rows and columns. So 4x plus 2, then 2x minus 3, x plus 1. This is A transpose, which is equal to A. You have to write 4x plus 2, 2x minus 3, x plus 1, correct. Now this is 2 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. You can equate corresponding terms. So first you have to take this one. 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2, correct. So 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. This implies 2x minus x. This x you have to take this side, which is equal to 2. This 3 you have to take right side. So 3. So this implies what is 2x minus x, which is equal to 5. So what is the value of x? 5. So option D is correct. So if you want, you can write. This is the problem and this is the answer. Next move on to 18th question. If A and B are matrices of same order, then A B dash minus B A dash is skew symmetric, null matrix, symmetric matrix or unit matrix. So you have to find this one, which matrix. Okay. So first of all you have to find, before that one problem we done, A B dash minus B A dash the whole transpose, which is equal to A B dash the whole dash minus B A dash the whole dash, which is equal to what? B dash the whole dash. Why? A B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. This one you have to use here. So B dash the whole dash into A dash minus A dash the whole dash into B dash. What is B dash the whole dash? B only. Then A dash, which is equal to minus, what is A dash the whole dash? A into B, B dash. So you have to write the term like this, AB dash. So here only AB dash. So you have to take this term into first term. So what you have to do? Minus you have to take outside. Then AB dash minus BA dash. So AB dash minus BA dash, the whole dash is equal to minus the same term. Like this, A dash is equal to minus A. If A dash is equal to minus A, E is skew symmetric, correct. So like this, AB dash minus BA dash is equal to minus AB dash minus BA dash, means this is skew symmetric. So option A is correct. So I am showing this question and answer. If you want, you can write. This is question and this is answer. Next move on to 19th question. If a is equal to 5x, y 0 and a is equal to a dash, then which option? Here a is equal to a dash. A you have to write here. A dash means you have to interchange rows and columns, correct? From this you can write x is equal to y. So option B is correct. Next move on to 20th question. The matrix, this one is a diagonal matrix, skew symmetric or symmetric scalar matrix. Here just you look at these numbers. Here 5 minus 5. Here 8 minus 8. Here minus 17 like 17. If same numbers are there, that is symmetry. Here numbers are changing, correct? This not number, signs are changing. So it is skew symmetric matrix only. So option B is correct. Next move on to 21st question. If A is equal to this and B is equal to this, then AB the whole dash is equal to which one? Everyone knows AB dash is equal to B dash A dash, correct? Option A is correct, but they have given this matrix. So with that matrix you have to prove AB the whole dash is equal to B dash A dash. So let's find. So AB first of all you have to find, correct? What is A? Minus 2, 4, 5. Then what is B? 1, 3, minus 6. So this is 3 by 1 matrix. This is 1 by 3 matrix. So multiplication means 3 by 3 matrix will come. This like this. So minus 2 into 1, minus 2, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus 2 into minus 6, 12. Then 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 3, 12, then 4 into minus 6, minus 24. 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 3, 15, then 5 into minus 6, minus 30. This is AB. We have to find AB the whole transpose, correct? You have to interchange the rows and columns. So minus 2, minus 6, 12, 4, 12, minus 24, 5, 15, minus 30. Then you have to prove AB dash is equal to B dash A dash, correct? So you have to find A dash. What is A? Minus 2, 4, 5. So A dash is equal to, you have to interchange rows and columns. So minus 2, 4, 5. Then what is B? 1, 3, minus 6. So what is B dash? 1, 3, minus 6. Then you have to multiply B dash into A dash, not A dash into B dash. You have to multiply B dash into A dash. So 1, 3, minus 6, minus 2, 4, 5. Here also 3 by 3 matrix. So 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 4, 5. Then you have to multiply with 3. So minus 6, 12, 15. Then you have to multiply with minus 6. So 12, minus 24, minus 30. Now you have to check. Here AB the whole dash, this matrix is equal to this matrix. So what is AB the whole dash? B dash A dash. So option A is correct. This one. On to 22nd question. Given A and B, they have given find A plus B. If you want to add two matrices, first you have to check the order of matrix. Here 2 by 3 matrix, here also 2 by 3 matrix. So you can add these two matrices. So here A, B are of same order 2 by 3. So A plus 3 means you have to add the corresponding terms. Here root 3, here 2. So 2 plus root 3. Here 1 root 5. So 1 plus root 5. Here minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1. Here 2 minus 2. Here minus 2 minus 2. Then 3, 3. Here 3 plus 3. Then here 0, 1 by 2. Here 0, plus 1 by 2, which is equal to here 1 minus 1 0, here also 0 will come, here 3 plus 3 6, other numbers same. So this is the answer. Next move on to 23rd question. If A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix such that A B dash and B dash A are both defined, then order of matrix B is. They have given order of matrix A, order of matrix B we have to find. Then one more thing they have given, A B dash and B dash A are both defined. Then we have to find order of matrix B. Order of matrix A is equal to m by n, correct? So A is equal to Aij m by n. Order of matrix A is m by n, correct? M by n, order of A. So A is equal to Aij m by n. Let B is equal to, like that we have to take Bij p by q. Let the order of B is p by q. Therefore what is B dash? We have to interchange this one, correct? So Bij q by p. In this question, A B dash is defined. So what you have to write? A B dash is defined means you have to see A B dash. Here m by n, here q by p. So n is equal to q. This n is equal to q. Then B dash A is also defined, they have given B dash A. So you can write P is equal to this M. Therefore order of B dash is equal to what? You have to change the value of Q, N, the value of P, M we got. So you have to change, you have to put the value here. So B dash is equal to Bji n by m. So what is order of B? B I J m by n. So this is the order m by n. So this is the question. Then this is the answer. Next move on to 24th question. Let A is equal to this matrix and B is equal to this matrix. You have to find AB. So first of all you have to find AB. What is A? 250, then 10, 2, then 50, 40, which is equal to 200 into 50 how much? 10,000. Then 50 into 2 how much? 100. Then 200 into 40, 8,000. Then 50 into 3 plus 150. Then 10 into 50, 500 plus 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Then 10 into 40 how much? 400 plus 2 into 3, 6. Then you have to simplify. This is 100. So 10,000, 100. Then here 8,150, here 504, here 406. Then you have to find determinant AB. So this one you have to write here 504, 406, which is equal to, like cross multiplication, 10,100 into 406 minus 8,150 into 504, which is equal to, you have to multiply this one, this answer you will get minus this answer. Here first of all you have to count the number of digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So same number of digits. Then you have to check which number is big one. Here 4, 4, 1, 1, 0, 0, here 7. So this number is big one. So you have to subtract from this. Then you have to put this minus symbol. So what is the answer? Minus 7,000. So option D is correct. So option D is correct. Now I am showing this problem and answers. Next move on to 25th question. Find the values of x and y from the following equation. They have given one equation. You have to find the values of x and y. So first you have to write the equation 2 into x 5 7 y minus 3, then plus 3 minus 4 1 2, which is equal to 7 6 15 14. This implies you have to multiply 2 with this one. So 2x, then 10 14, 2y minus 6. Balance you have to write like that. 3 minus 4 1 2, which is equal to 7 6 15 14. This implies here plus symbol is there. You have to add corresponding terms. So 2x plus 3, then 10 minus 4, then 14 plus 1, then 2y minus 6 plus 2, then equal the same term you have to write 15 14. Then you have to equate 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. From this you can find the value of x. So 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, which is equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 by 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 2. Then you have to take this term. Here 2y minus 4, correct. So 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. So 2y minus 4 is equal to 14. This implies 2y is equal to 14 plus 4, which is equal to 18. So y is equal to 18 by 2, which is equal to 9. So what is y? Y is equal to 9. So what are the values of x and y? 2 and 9. So this is the answer. So this is the question and answer. Hope all you understood these problems. If you like, please share to your friends and relatives. Thank you.